Today, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your assignments in on Canvas. Now you might be saying to yourself, but Mr. Gano, I already know how to turn my assignments in on Canvas. I do it all the time. And that's amazing. If you're saying that to yourself, pat yourself on the back. Not too hard. Calm down. There's no need to hurt yourself. It's all good. Now ask yourself this, though. How many of you have sent an email to one of your teachers saying, hey, Mr. blah, 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 or hey, Mrs. blah, 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 or hey, Miss blah, 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 blah. I can't turn my assignment in. That's what I thought. I actually have no idea how many of you are saying to yourself, yeah, that's me, I did that, or not. But if you are one of those people, I'm going to show you where you went wrong. You see, by now your teachers have watched a different video that I made for them about how to make assignments so that we're never going to have this issue again, so that their inboxes aren't going to get flooded with emails from students saying, I can't turn this assignment in, or it's not letting me upload the assignment. Your teachers are doing everything right on their end now, if they weren't already. Now it's your time to shine. So, turning our work in. Here we go. This is part one. I'm going to go into student view, so it'll look like what it looks like for you when you go to turn your stuff in, right? So come to the home page, boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. Now obviously this is not a course page. This is something called the sandbox. This is what teachers are given to essentially just play around in, hence the term sandbox. You see what they did there? It's ingenious, I know. Oh, we're good at this. Okay, so I'm going to come to the modules page. Now, of course, you don't have to come to the modules page. You can go to the assignments page and find the assignment directly on there. But some of my students, I know they go to the modules page because it's easier for them to remember where the things are when they're supposed to turn them in, because we go through it, step by step. So we don't need to worry about this one. That's another example that I did. You're not ready for advanced telekinesis yet, so calm down. This is the one that we're going to turn in our assignment on, the Google Slides example. The reason it's called Google Slides example, well, because the student work that I'm turning in is Google Slides. So, that page. Pew, 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 pew. That's Star Wars noises. I don't know if you're a fan or not. I like Star Wars. Is what it is. Okay, this is what it looks like when you go to turn in your assignment. Right? Right. Thank you for agreeing with me. It is my genuine wish that somewhere, someone out there, one of you, the students, said to yourself, right? Maybe just whispered it out loud. Maybe even said it in your head. I don't care. I hope that you said right. That would make me feel good about myself, and that's important to me. Okay, getting back on track. We're not going to get distracted. Here we go. You got this upload file box, right? Oh, it's amazing. What do we do with that? There's two options for that. My favorite, my personal favorite, the way that I like to do it. Let's pretend that this is the assignment that you did. Your teacher assigned you something, and the assignment was in Google Slides. It could also be in Google Docs. It could also be an image file in Google Drawings. Whatever it is. What you need to do is you need to get this turned in here, right? Okay, stay with me. Here we go. How do we do that? We're going to hit File, pew, Download, pew, and then come over to Microsoft PowerPoint. There are other options here. You can do a JPEG or PNG. Those are both image files. That is if you're turning in just one specific slide, and my students do that a lot. We're not going to that yet because we're trying to not complicate things. So you may say to yourself, well, Mr. Gano, why are you telling us about it then? I'm just letting you know. Just giving you the heads up. That's coming down the pipeline. Just be ready. For us, we're going to go with this one right here. The very first one. Boom. Oh my God, what happened? Something happened? Yeah, Something happened. Take a look at the bottom left hand of the screen. What's that? Ah, that's the file. There it is, right there. Oh my god, this is amazing. So now what do we do? Are you freaking out right now? Are you excited? I am. Let's do this. We'll come back to the assignment page. See this box right here? See how it changes colors? So what do we do next? Okay, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna drag it into that box. Ready? We're gonna click and grab, holding it. We're holding the click, holding the click, holding the click. It changed colors and pew, we let it go. Uploaded. What? Okay, so now it's been uploaded. This is very important. See how this changes? Watch it. Watch this line right here. Watch. When you have the submit button appear, that changes, right? See it's gone? Now we're going to scroll back down, and now it's there. See how it changes? Look for that to change, right? It's changed. There's the submit button. Make sure you hit submit. There is a reason this button is blue. There's a reason this turns blue when you drop something in it. There's a reason this button is blue. It's saying, hey, click me. So we're going to click. Boom. Done. Look at this. Look at this. You see this right here? This green circle with a white check mark in it? It says submitted. That means you just submitted your assignment. Once again, give yourself a pat on the back. Now your teacher can come in here and they can pull open something that's going to look very similar to this. And your work is going to be right there. And they can make little marks on it. They can put little comments at the side on it. Whatever they want to do, they can do that now. Awesome. Okay, so what happens if you get this done and you're just like hanging out, not doing much, and you suddenly get a message and it says, hey, you did this wrong. I need you to fix this. Or why don't you think of it this way and try it again? Anything to do with your teacher wants you to resubmit the assignment. Well, we can't do that, right? That's not possible. Or is it? It's actually very possible. Your teachers probably already know how to do this. We just went over it the other day just for fun. Make sure that everybody knew how this was to be set up so that you could submit assignments again. I've run into several instances where some of my kids have submitted something and because they're, doing a lot of work, they submitted something for another class accidentally. And so they need to go back and resubmit it. Well, they know how to do it because I showed them, and I'm going to show you exactly the same way I showed them. There may be Star Wars noises involved. So we're going to do a little differently this time. This time, let's just go to the assignments page, right? Let's get a little crazy with it, right? All right, let's do it. Here we go. So we're going to find that assignment. There it is. Clicking on it. Remember, we can get to it through the modules too, but it is what it is. Okay, so what do we do? You ready? Watch this. All the way to the right here. See where it says new attempt? Right there. New attempt. There it is. See my cursor? See my cursor? That's how you submit it again. You don't even need a teacher to tell you screwed up. Right? You can catch your own mistake and go, oh no, I turned in the wrong thing. I should fix that. You click that little plus button. Watch what happens. The box is back. The box is returned for seconds. So what do? We go, okay, I know I downloaded this already. I'm just going to do it again because this is what I need to turn in. I'm going to do it. Here we go. Download. Microsoft PowerPoint. Boom. There it is right there. Okay. Come to the assignment page. Grab it. Drag and drop it. All right. I know I submitted the right one this time. I got this. Submit. Submitted. Now, for your teacher, we will see the two different attempts. We don't care. That's fine. We'll assume you accidentally submitted the wrong thing the first time. We'll go for the most recent attempt. we will know that they're both there. We're not gonna like make fun of you for it or give you a hard time about it. It's not a big deal. We're just happy that you caught your mistake and that you were responsible enough to take care of it. It's less work for us. Less work for us makes happier teachers. Trust me. Okay? Trust. So, it's submitted. You submitted it a second time because the first time you maybe submitted the wrong thing. Whatever. Doesn't matter. It's in. Awesome. One other thing, and this is just a quick aside, something that I've seen happen. What happens if you accidentally close this little button down here and your downloads at the bottom of the screen are now gone? What do? Do you panic? No. No, you don't panic. Because the great thing about this is when you go to submit it again, we're doing a third attempt. Yeah, we're doing a third attempt. This is happening. Right? You can click on upload file. And your entire computer and all of the things on it show up right here. Oh my goodness. And then you can click on your downloads, and there it is right there. That's the first one we did. And there's the second one. So, boom, boom. Nailed it. Submit. Oh, dear Lord, that took 10 minutes. Is it really going to take that long? No. I get distracted easily. You might too. If you get distracted easily, yeah, it might take you 10 minutes. But it should only take you about 15 seconds. All right, so I am going to make this look like we never did anything before. Right? I reset the student view and I reset the download bar at the bottom. That's all gone. So I'm going to show you how fast this is going to go for you, the student, because you probably turned the DPI up in your mouse pretty high. You ready? Here we go. Done. Just like that. It's good. It's turned in. You see this right here? It shows that it's submitted, right? Submitted. You're good. I hope this helps.